The humble daiquiri has become an icon in the craft bartending world. With only 3 ingredients, it really showcases a bartender or a cocktail lover's ability to balance ingredients in a cocktail. It's light, clean, and refreshing, and it's a far cry from the sugary drinks that are being pumped out of machines all over the world. So here's how you make a daiquiri. So there's only a couple of ingredients that are used in making a daiquiri. The first and arguably the most important one is a really good quality rum. In this case, we're going to be using Havana Club 3-year, so 2 full ounces of that, followed by 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup, and finally 1 ounce of lime juice. Now the daiquiri has a nice kind of lime kind of kick to it, so a full ounce of lime juice is definitely the way to go here. So give that a good shake, get it nice and ice cold, and finally fine strain it into your favorite coupe glass. And the garnish for this, you don't need one, but if you want one, you can put a lime wedge, or in this case, we're putting a lime wheel on it. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you make a daiquiri, everyone. Cheers.